Hello everyone. As you can see here, I have the Plague Doctor from Home Depot for Halloween 2024 season. And just picked him up today. It was an unexpected decision that I made. And well, I don't have much else to say. Let's just open this up. I'm really excited. He's very cool in person. He's like just so creepy, and I just love it. There we go. Whoa! What the heck? The instructions are on the actual cardboard. Alright, this must be some supports and stuff. And oh, whoa! Well, of course, first I can pull it out. I can. Oh yeah! That's awesome. And what can come out next? Here's this thing. I think. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Really good looking boot. Here's that other. Oh no, whole clothing thing. And there's more of the wire lights there. Oh, it's heavy. The mechanisms and torsos and yeah. Oh, this is an interesting way to set up a base. The first two poles are already attached. You just put that together and then yeah. And then everything else. And it comes with a use and care guide. Alright, cool. I guess let's get started. The base here. With this thing here, I'm assuming that's the front. Right, the boots next. They're identical again. Alright. So, how do these go on? Okay, back like this looks like. Yep. There we go. All right. Big mechanism thing, and you got poked by a zip tie. That's embarrassing. The hand with the lantern, yes! That is epic. And okay, there we go. I was saying, why was mine all crooked for a minute? That was weird. But anyway. Yeah, I'm assuming we have another, yep, little clip things. Well, I can do it this way, and should be easier. There we go. And now for the other arm. The one that does the cool motion. Let's do this. And the cool arm is in. Oh. down. And over this. There we go. It is cool nonetheless, though. I mean, look at that. That's pretty sick. Just a lock. Yep. Oh my gosh, this is cool. Go to the bottom here. So, yeah. This guy is really cool, I must say. I'm really happy with my decision to get this guy. It was funny, I saw Home Depot stuff, Halloween stuff, the first time yesterday at my other local Home Depot, and I saw this guy for the first time, and I go, damn, he's sick. Oh wait, no pun intended. And now, that was yesterday. And now we went to the other one because I was like, we were in the area, so I figured why not. And they had him in stock, and so I was like, all right, I guess I'll just pick him up. So here he is. I'm gonna remember. Do Ben's the camera up? Okay, that's actually not as bad as it. Oh, I hope I didn't break anything in my tripod just then. Actually, hold on, I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I depended a bit. Now, it's like, put the hat on. Oh yeah. Climbed up here like I'm about to put the star on the Christmas tree. Let's go ahead. I need to stop with these unintentionally horrible puns. You know, oh yeah. Oh crap. Oh no, actually, oh crap. Oh, I missed. There we go. Yeah, don't mind me, guys. I'm just grabbing my camping flashlight in the middle of the animatronic setup. Don't worry, guys. It's completely normal. My God, this part should not be this difficult. What the hell just happened?
I can sense it. Bring me your sick. It is my duty to rid the world of it. Bring me your wounded. Lavender in my mask is barely covering your stench. Bring me the leeches. It is time to cure you of your ailment. Another name in the death toll. What is your last wish? There is evil here. I will rid you of it. I have seen this form of illness in another autopsy. Be gone! another soul.